Okay, so welcome back. All right, Math Dealer here, and now this is part 2 of a hopefully maybe 3-part video, maybe 4. Who knows? I just go crazy. All right, so this is dealing with the rational exponents. All right, and this is our problem. How do we break this down? So we are going to be kicking out all those properties that we know and love about exponents. I know, I'm so excited, right? So don't forget, powers to powers, you multiply. So that gives me 2 to the negative 2. Over 2 squared again. Wait for it. Power to power, multiply. I know, super fun. So then when we have like bases, we merely add the exponents. So this becomes 2 to the 0 power over 2 to the negative 4. Now I want to just take note here. Notice my base did not change. It stayed as a 2. Do not change the base. That would not be cool. Scale from 1 to cool, not that. Now look at this. Anything raised to the 0 power, of course, is 1. This is 2 to the negative 4. Well, remember we talked about in another video when we talked about negative exponents. Negative exponents are like blinkers. Yeah, we need to change their lane. I know, right? So that's going to slide up top and call it 16. Man, that was messy. Ay. All right, so let's look at this guy down here. All right. So again, this negative 2, please note, is actually going to all the terms. So in other words, this is saying 2 to the negative 2. Powers to powers, you multiply. That gives me a to the 4th times 2, a to the 4th, b to the negative 4. I know, you're like, yeah, okay there, Math Dealer. You're just reading what I'm writing. Yep, exactly. Nothing but excitement. Now check this out. When you multiply like bases, what do we keep saying? You add the exponents. Don't forget that there's actually is a 1 on the 2. Okay, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. That was fun. So this gives me 2 to the negative 1. Again, like bases, check them out. I'm going to add those exponents. And then the b is just like, dude, what about me? And you're like, I'll get to you because you'll be a later in the problem. I know, super fun. All right, again, exponents there is a 1. So what are we going to do? Well, when you divide like bases, we subtract those exponents. So that gives me 2 to the negative 2 because negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. You've seen pictures. That a to the 8th and a to the negative 2, that gives me a to the 10th. Why? Because that's 8 minus a negative 2. I know, fun. And that b to the 4th and a b gives me b to the negative 5. Now again, if I'm going too fast, guess what you can do? Pause this video, rewind it, and start over. I know, you just get to hear my voice more. I know, I'm excited about that too. All right, so here we go. I end up getting a to the 10th. He's like, dude, I'm going to chill up top because in the numerator because my exponent's not negative. But this 2 to the negative 2 is like, oh, blinker's on. You need to move to the denominator. That blinker's on. Move it to the denominator. So that gives me a to the 10th over 4b to the 5th. I know, super fun. Okay, now these problems down here deal with solving. And solving is definitely different than simplifying, not just in spelling, okay? So come back, watch the next video to see how we solve these crazy rational exponential equations. Super fun. Math Dealer signing out.